Great. Ray, you have been a true pioneer in articulating positive visions of the future in your writings. So if you would pick the one that you're most excited about now, what would that be?
Imagine going back 10,000 years and asking quintessential caveman and woman, gee, what is a beneficial future? What would you like to see? And they would say, well, I'd like this fire to stop going out, and I'd like a bigger boulder to prevent the animals from getting in the cave. Anything else? Well, no, I think that would be pretty perfect. Well, don't you want a better website and apps and search engines? And imagine going back 2 million years ago and talking to primates, if you could do that, and saying, isn't it great? The frontal cortex is coming, and we're going to have additional neocortex and hierarchy. And they said, well, what's the point of that? And say, well, you'll have music and humor. And their answer would be, what's music? What's humor? So they couldn't imagine concepts that they couldn't imagine. And by analogy, I think we will have new phenomena that are as profound as music and humor. You could call it more profound music and will be funnier, but I think it'll be as profound as these great leaps that evolution has brought us, because we will become profoundly smarter. And if music and humor are up here and we go to even higher levels of the neocortex, we're going to have more profound ways of expressing ourselves. And once we have that, we would not want to go back.